Wouldn't you love to see your garden flourish and your vegetables and fruit yield spectacular results? Get ready to elevate your gardening game with Neptune's Harvest Tomato and Veg Formula. It's been our secret behind remarkable growth and abundant harvests for tomatoes, vegetables, and more. Crafted from all organic ingredients like fresh fish, seaweed, humate, and molasses, this formula is tailored specifically for plants in their intense growth or vegging stages. Plus, it's kid and pet safe. By using the tomato and veg formula, we have witnessed astounding results. With increased stalk mass and stem mass and deeper roots, it's led to higher yields. But that's not all. Neptune's Harvest provides the essential nutrients needed to fortify your plants, promoting healthy soil and increased organic matter, which sequesters carbon. This not only boosts your plant's resilience against diseases, but also enhances its ability to withstand fluctuations in temperature and drought. Strong plants have less insect damage and higher yields. The proof is in all the record-breaking giant pumpkins, tomatoes, sunflowers grown with Neptune's Harvest. And here's a good tip. When plants begin to flower, you can switch to Neptune's Harvest Rose and Flowering to increase bud production, giving you more flowers or veggies. Neptune's Harvest Fertilizer is a family-owned company that sprouted from an environmental mission back in 1986. They recognize the untapped potential of fish filleting byproducts and transform them into some of the finest organic fertilizers available today. Enhance your gardening prowess with Neptune's Harvest Tomato and Veg Formula, where nature harmonizes with nurturing for the garden of your dreams. Get yours today and let your garden thrive like never before. Neptune's Harvest, products from the ocean to set your plants in motion.